I will show you how to play with an angle theta that is defined from an axis x, but you want to see where this angle is with an axis y. Okay, so here you have a force F, this force F going perpendicular to this slope. Okay, it's not the weight because the weight is always vertical, it's just the force perpendicular. And the question is, this angle theta, is it on that side, with axis x and y, etc.? So I will show you how to find that. You take a ruler, okay, and draw your horizontal axis x. Oops, let me do it with the oops. Okay, and don't be afraid to go up to all the way through your drawing, and you draw a vertical axis y going through the force, so the point of action of the force y. Okay, now we will look at two triangles. First, my green triangles there. Okay, these green triangles. This is a right triangle with a right angle there. So this angle, this green angle, is 90 minus theta. Okay. Now I will go to the opposite angle. Okay, so from this 90 minus theta, I will go opposites, and this one is also 90 minus theta, right? Because they use the same lines. Okay, so we have 90 minus theta. We know that, let me try to make in yellow, this angle, in yellow, it's a right angle between F and the slope there, this slope there. So we have a 90 degrees angle there. So 90 minus theta, this angle is theta. So we have an angle theta with the y-axis. What does that mean? That means that if you want to write the force F on I hat and j hat, what you will have for the y, you have the cosine theta, because this angle theta is with the axis y. And with the x-axis, you will have sine theta. Last thing that you need to check is the directions of both components. So we have fx going to the right, so it's a plus, and fy going down, so it's a minus. So your vector force F, if you want to split it on x and y, it will be a sine on the I hat, and I forgot the magnitude F, so plus the magnitude F sine theta I hat minus the magnitude F cosine theta j hat. Here we go. Let me know if you have other question for this little example. Bye bye.